So finally the waiting is over. The real king of the Android smartphone is finally here. Yes, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Hi everyone, this is Janak and welcome back to my new video. And today I will do a quick unboxing and first look for this lovely smartphone, which is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Alright, so let's open the box and let's see what comes inside. But before I open it, I can say that this box is made from 100% of recycled paper, which is a really good to look after the environment from the Samsung side. So it's amazing. So alright, so let's open the box and let's see what comes inside. So once you open the box, you will see a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which I ordered it in a gray color, which is a titanium gray color. Let's put phone on this side and let's see what accessories comes inside. So once you open this package, you will see some of the documentations from the Samsung, which is, I can say, might be everyone's know about that. And it's also coming with a USB Type-C to Type-C charging port, which is a really branded cable from the Samsung. So only the cable is coming, and that's it. There is nothing, no charger, nothing inside. Doesn't matter if you're buying expensive phone, you're not gonna get charger, you need to buy separately. If I can talk about the designs for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so designs look a bit different than S24 Ultra. The biggest change for the S25 Ultra is now has a flat side and curved kind of a corner, so no longer boxy look that you can see in S25 Ultra. If I can talk about the camera design, so the camera designs look similar like a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, as I told you in my previous video. That's probably there is a chances that camera layout and camera circles will be look like Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is correct, and the Samsung followed that pattern from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Alright, so let's remove the stickers and let's see how the phones look like. Oh my god, this looks so nice. It's completely different than Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, as I can say. Alright, so let's talk about some ports and buttons for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So you will see on the right hand side, so you will see a power on off button, and you will see also volume up and down button. If you see on the top, so you will see a noise cancellation microphone on the top. There is nothing on the left hand side, and if you see on the bottom, then it's completely fully packed bottom. So you will see a USB Type-C, which is a 3.2 Gen 1. Also you will see a SIM card tray, a speaker grill, and S Pen as well on the bottom. If I can talk about the protections, so the Corning Gorilla Glass armor, which is coming from front and back side, so that is a more stronger and more durable if you are comparing with Samsung Galaxy S24. That was a Corning Gorilla Glass armor first generations, and these ones have a second generations from front and back side. If I can talk about the titanium material for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Samsung said that they use a grade 5 titanium, which is a more stronger and more durable if you are comparing with the previous model. Alright, so from here there will be one of the team members who will give you some of the more informations for this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So Janak, please give some of the more information that what's the new and what's the changes in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you, Janak. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming with a 6.9-inch display, with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display. So it's Super AMOLED display with 2600 nits of brightness, and it's also give you up to 120 Hz refresh rate. So the performance for Samsung Galaxy S25 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy, specially customized for the Galaxy phones. So it's a more powerful and it's a more beast kind of a processor, and it's a very amazing processor. It's still it's a new processor, so there are some of the phones they are coming like our heating issues, but we need to see that it's the S25 Ultra, it's also give you our heat or not. But I can say that because the Samsung updated, they put a 40% larger vapor chamber in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I will say if you're doing a gamings or anything, there is a less chances to hit this phone. Also, if I can talk about the storage for Samsung Galaxy S25 is a 3 different storage: 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB of storage. It's coming with a UFS 4.0 and it's coming with a 12 GB RAM, all of them with LPDDR5X, which is a more faster RAMs in 2025. So the battery, if you guys know about the battery, so there is no change on the battery. Battery will be the same as the last year, which is a 5000 mAh battery, but because the processor is more powerful and more efficient, so definitely you will see a battery improvement as well in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If I can talk about some of the extra features for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so this phone is an IP68 rating phone, so it's a water and dust resistance. Also, if I can talk about the system, so it's coming with Android 15 operating system, which is a latest, and it's also give you up to 7 years of security update and 7 years of Android update. Also, if I can talk about some of the connectivity, so this is a 5G phones that you guys know about, that it's also give you a dual 4G VoLTE. It's also coming with a Wi-Fi 7, which is a latest Wi-Fi, and it's more powerful Wi-Fi. It's also coming with a NFC and Bluetooth 5.4, which is latest as well. So the price for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is, you guys know that the price is £1,249 in UK, or if you're buying in US is £1,299. So the price will be the same as the last year, but the Samsungs are giving very nice offers nowadays to upgrade if you want to buy the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I will still suggest go to the Samsung's websites and check what's the latest updates and offers for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, because the phones is amazing. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you never get regret. It's a king of the Android smartphone in 2025. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing and that was the first look for this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you have any questions regards this phone, please put the comments below and I will give you the answers whatever your questions are. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to channels to see more videos like this from my side every week. And if you have any questions regards to any other tech product, please also put the comments below and I will give you the answers whatever your questions are. So now time to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next one. Take care.